Now let's go to the US dollar index to see how this looks. US dollar index, this week we can see it has jumped between these two price levels. It has started the week here, the price dropped down and then bouncing back up and down, up and down. We can see it here. Let's go and see how this looks. After the price has reached this great support, the price has bounced back up, and then the price could not find its way above. We can see it here, could not make a breakout to the upside above 106.53, and the price could not break below 106.14. So this week we can see that the price has gone and closed as a bearish, but very critical levels the price could not break below. Very critical level was 106.10. We can see it here. And as it looks right now, there is the price is in between a great resistance, which is 107.14, and below that is 1.05.50. So the price is jumping in between, which is unclear signal. Let's see on the monthly time frame how this looks, because we have one more week until this month ends and 2 more days, but as it looks right now, currently the price is inside indecision range area. We can see that after the strong bullish breakout, we can see it here on the monthly time frame, the price tried to reach higher price levels, but it could not, and then reverses back down. We can see it's very important to see how this month ends, because if the price goes below this one, which is 105.69, there is a possibility for the price to reach this one, which is 105 price level on the monthly time frame. But if the price goes above, which means we will see on the weekly and also daily time frame, there is a possibility that the price will continue to move up and reach this one, at least 107.57, and then 108.56. But for that we will see on the weekly time frame. Very important levels is this one. We can see a very important level for the price on the weekly time frame is this first one, is this here, which is candle open of this week, candle close of this week, and very important level on the weekly time frame is this one, 1.069. we can round this to 107.00. If the price goes above, the next one where the price could stop is this one, 107.70, which is a very important level on the monthly time frame I have just mentioned. And below this one, very important level for the price is this one here, 105.91 on the weekly time frame, and then below that is this one, 105.50. These are very critical levels, and until the price makes a breakout of this, we can see it here in decision range area, we will see how the market looks. So very important level for the price is this one, 106.11, and on the upper side is this one here, 106.63. If the price breaks above, the next one is 107, and below that is 105.62. Very important levels. So until we see the price makes a breakout outside of this indecision range area, there is still unclear picture where the market could move in the following days and also weeks and also the month. So the next week for the US dollar index will be very important to see how it ends. If you would like to see also my trading idea, you can also visit my trading community. The link will be in the description, so you will see what is the entry, stop loss and take profit idea. This looks, if you check the US dollar index inside the trading community, you will see also my trading idea and also my comments, how I'm expecting that the price will behave. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.